Okay, so got that all notched out nicely. It's kind of fun. I actually did something I've never done before, which is I blew right through the wall of the side right there, but it doesn't matter because once we get our binding glued on, the binding will be sitting right there and cover over it exactly. So it's all good, no issues. But I take this and line up my braces. Everything fits. Lovely. Next thing I have to do is trim the braces to the appropriate height so it just sits perfectly. And then I also you want to make sure that you cut your center reinforcement strip so it doesn't intersect with your toe block or your butt block. So, and then that's it.
Well, how low do you go in your braces?
Same as the top, somewhere in that range, anywhere between 160 and 220 thou.